Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Você say this, believe that, follow this. Listen. Yeah. Too many voices in my ear, too many truths that disappear. Everybody got a claim, but not everything's the same. What's repeated isn't real. Yeah. What's loud don't always heal. Had to step back from the sound to finally hear what's profound. When I quiet everything, truth begins to speak. Wisdom over noise, that's the choice I make. Not everything I hear deserves my faith. Wisdom over noise, clearer every day. When I filter what I take, I find my way. We've been fed a constant stream, half of it ain't what it seems. Opinions dressed up as facts, that's how we lose track. If I don't question what I hear, I let confusion interfere. So I choose to understand before I take a stand. When I slow it down inside, I can separate the lies. Oh, wisdom over noise, that's the choice I make. Not everything I hear deserves my faith. Wisdom over noise, clearer every day. And I filter what I take, I find my way.
Information is everywhere, but wisdom is chosen.
Not everything deserves your attention. Not everything deserves your belief. Not everything deserves your attention. Not everything deserves your belief.
That's the choice I make.
Not everything I hear deserves my faith. Wisdom over noise, clearer every day. I filter what I take, I find my way. Choose wisely, choose wisely, choose wisely, choose wisely.